Hi there, this is Evangeline. I'm from Manon Indigo Dye Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to fold your fabric or any object you like to add to odd number flower petals. Odd number flower petals. As I show you here, it's a really big flower pattern and it's got 7 petals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 petals. When you're doing your folding technique, you will find sometimes you will find out it's very difficult to fold it up to the exact number like 7, 9, 11, 13, or sometimes just 5. This odd number petals. So today I'm going to show you how to fold it, and you have to follow me step by step easily. So take your patience. Let us start. Okay, first of all, we need a fully refined oxidized processed fabric. You can choose linen, wood, silk, or cotton, or any combined material, but make sure it's 100% natural. And a little tool we call the powerful little tool, which is combined one rubber band and a plastic ring together. We join this to bend your fabric, to tie it up really tight, to create a very clear pattern, blue and white linen on your fabric. Okay, let us start. First of all, we spread out your fabric on a flat table to firmly really spread out, and we fold it once. By doing this, press the edge, we can find out the center line of your fabric, and we fold it again, either left to right or right to left, and press the edge again. This we can find out the second center line, which is make a big cross on your fabric, and you can find the center point of the cross. Okay, it's really important, because when you're folding your fabric, the center point is the way you have to press it hard and don't make it loose, otherwise your flower can just get brought down or get cracked. Alright, now as I show you here, the center line, the second center line, and there will be a big cross here and the center point here. Because today I'm going to show you how to fold 7 petals, so which is mean we have to divide your fabric on 7 even part of it. 7 even part of it. Okay, just follow me step by step. First of all, press the center point here, don't lose it, and hold your fabric, fold it, cross over the another part like this. Okay, and press it. As you can see here, the upper layer, which is we have to divide 3 parts of it evenly, and the underneath layer exactly the same, 3 even part of it, which is meant the upper layer and the lower layer that will create 6 even part of your fabric. And this part here you can see it's just 1/7. So it's really important. Don't lose your center point here. Now we fold it up there. Hold the upper there, fold it up of 1/3 on the upper there. On the upper there, press the edge hard, and as I point out here, this part here, which is for the whole fabric, which is I mentioned that we have to divide 7 parts, 7 even part of it, and this part here we folded, this layer here is 1/7. Okay, and then Now we're going to the second part of it. Second part of your fabric. You hold it and don't lose your center point. Hold your layer and fold it up. Sometimes you have to adjust it a little bit by a little bit, because when you fold it, you don't measure it exactly, but when you fold it, you have to adjust it to make evenly. Alright? And then now take the upper layer here, which I show you here, this part here, we open it up and fold it back again. Adjust it, press it. Okay, remember to press it hard and don't make the center point here, and then hold your whole fabric and turn it upside down. Okay, you should see here, so you hold your this part here, and then fold it back. Adjust it, because sometimes you fold it sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller. And then now we're going to this part here. You hold your fabric all together and then all fold back. Press the edge hard. Now turn the whole fabric upside down again, and as you can see now, sometimes we have to adjust it a little bit by little bit, because when you fold it, it's difficult to really fold exactly evenly. So we adjust it a little bit, fold it. Now hold this part here all together, fold up again. Okay, it's done. We now fold up for 7 petals flower. Now as the even number, if you see the previous film, we show you how to fold up 6 petals flower patterns. Okay, now we hold the top here, fold it up, press, and then all fold back twice. Then third time, fold it up again, press it hard. Now you can see the shorter line here, longer line here, shorter line here, longer line here, longer line part here, we fold it all up. Press it a little bit, adjust it, and then take our powerful tool, press the plastic ring in the center, and then pull your rubber band, tighten it up. Sometimes rubber band just get weaker and you finally break it. So we get another one. Okay, pull your rubber band really hard and then tighten it. It doesn't matter how many rounds you tie it, just tie it as tight as you can, and then cross over the plastic ring. Alright, we're done. It just look like this. Okay? By doing this technique, you can finally create a quite similar flower like this, and you got 7 petals on it. And when you're doing this technique quite easily, or you practice it many times, and if you like it, you can create like 9 petals, 11 petals, many petals as you like. But it's a little bit different from like odd number to even number petals. So hope you enjoy our film. If you like us, please subscribe us on YouTube channel or go to our Facebook fan pages, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.